my name is Teresa Miller and I'm a field CTO with Cohesity. Today we're going to take a look at how you can get started with protecting your VMware workloads in the European region in our as a service offering. What we're taking a look at here first is our Cohesity global dashboard. This gives you great insights into the health of your environment, the protection jobs, how they're running, and how much consumption is occurring. Now, this, if you're a Cohesity customer, is all of your clusters. You can see here when I click global, I can see everything. Now, by way of as a service, we need to click on Data Protect, and then we get yet another dashboard. By way of this dashboard, I can see the regions that I have set up. So I have Canada, US, and Europe. I can also see under settings and regions where I have these environments provisioned as well. So more specifically, the European region that you're interested in today. So how do I get started protecting these VMware workloads? Well, let's go ahead and head over to sources. By way of sources, you'll need to register a source. You do that by clicking here on the right side of the screen, and you would choose hypervisor. We are going to choose our SaaS connector. This is a connector that you do deploy into your vSphere environment. We provide the OVA, and it creates a secure connection between on-prem and the as-a-service offering in the cloud. From there, you would fill in your vCenter host name or IP, your username and password, and you would click Save. I already have our source registered for today's demo, so I'm going to go ahead and cancel. So here you can see my list of registered sources, and more specifically, I have my vSphere environment in Europe. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And to protect some machines that I have over in that vSphere environment, I'm going to go ahead and type in demo EU. And here you can see that I have a couple servers already backing up, but I'm going to go ahead and choose a couple more. When I choose them, I'm going to go ahead and click protect, and that's going to give me some options. By way of options, one of the more critical ones is setting a policy. You can leverage some of the existing pre-built policies, or you can create your own. But essentially what a policy is how often is that backup going to happen and how long are you going to keep it for? I have a custom policy I already created, so I'm going to go ahead and choose that. And then I'm going to select more options. It's good to see that you have some choices here. So for example, you could change the start time. If you didn't want it to start right now in this moment, you could set that. We also have the ability to do some additional settings. I can set an end date, for example, or do some disk exclusions, or even modify my SLAs by way of full and incremental backups a little bit further. Once this is all set, I click protect. So now those jobs are kicking off. So if I go back into first demo-EU, I can see that I have a couple machines running and a couple that appear to be completed. I also have the ability to go into activity where I can see the status of the jobs that I have running. So here's two of the servers that have now propagated into the activity log, and I can see that those protection jobs are running. So as you can see, it's very easy to get started with our as a service offering to protect your VMware workloads in Europe.